Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Kraken. First, you just need to download your Kraken application and log into your Kraken app. You may ask for biometric verification, complete that verification and you will get to the Kraken dashboard. Then from here, if you have the money in cryptocurrency, then you have to sell first, but make sure that your account is verified for any withdrawal or deposit request. So if you don't get verified, then you won't be get to deposit or withdraw any money from the Kraken application. Now you have to sell the currency, so click on the sell. Then make your convert your crypto to USD dollar, and Kraken only support USD for the currency, and then you just need to convert them according to the current rate, and then you will get informed about the convert from this application, and you will find all the money in your portfolio section. But first you have to select a three dot here, and here you will find the withdraw option. You can also find the withdraw option in your portfolio, where you will find the deposit option and the withdraw button. Simply click on withdraw to withdraw the money from your Kraken account. Here in this cash section, you will find the amount that you have converted from cryptocurrency and available for withdraw from Kraken. Then you just need to click on withdraw and withdraw that cash amount from your Kraken account to the payment method that available in Kraken. You can use bank account, but there is a certain amount of banks available in Kraken, so you have to make sure that you have an account in that in all of those bank account, and you have to select the bank and enter the credentials like your account number, your account holder name and the routing number, and then you can confirm that withdrawal by using your password and completing some verification process. Then you just need to swipe the withdraw button and you will get the cash into your bank account after approval. It may take some times, but don't worry, you will get your money right away to your bank account. That's how you can withdraw money from your Kraken account to your bank account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.